welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a fall at home glow up. So lately I feel like I have been really neglecting my self-care. I've just been really stressed. I've been really busy. As you guys know, I just moved into my new apartment. So check out the moving vlogs. I will link a playlist here if you guys want to check it out. With moving, I've just been really busy and really stressed. Honestly, moving, it seems really fun whenever you're watching moving vlogs and everything, but there's actually a lot of like stress that goes along with it, especially like with your first apartment. Also had just a lot of busy things going on. Like it was my birthday, which I kind of forgot about. I just feel like I've had so much going on. So I've really been like neglecting my self-care. And like I said, I've just been really stressed. This video, I kind of wanted to focus on my self-care, and I wanted to do it all at home because I know a lot of places are still in quarantine and in lockdown. Just in general, I've been trying to do as many things at home as I can just to keep myself and others safe. I want this glow up to be really easy for you guys to do yourself. So I want it all to be at home. Take a night to kind of de-stress, and it'll also give you a boost of confidence as well because you'll just look nice and feel fresh. So that's what this video is all about. I'm gonna be tanning at home. I'm gonna be doing my nails at home. I'm gonna be doing skincare and masks. First thing I'm gonna do now is nails, because most of the stuff I kind of have to do like tonight. You can see right now I have like bald nails. I've worn fake nails for so long now that it's hard for me to like embrace my natural nails. They're also really thin. Definitely need to get some nails on my nails. That makes sense. I definitely need to do my nails first. I'm gonna be doing my nails myself and showing you guys how I do them. I'm gonna be using a polygel kit from Makartt, and I am actually partnering with them on this video. I was so excited when they reached out to me because I love trying out new ways to do my nails at home, and I've always wanted to try polygel. Just to tell you a couple quick things about them before I actually get into doing my nails and showing you how the kit works. They're cruelty-free, so they don't do any animal testing on any of their products. And their polygel kits are really amazing. They're like the best of both worlds because it's really strong like acrylic, but it doesn't have the strong smell or toxins, and the colors are known to be easier to work with and more pigmented than other brands. And the kit that I'm using, which is the Life of a Rose collection, comes with 4 gel colors named after the life cycle of a rose. The colors are called Bud, Bloom, Hip, and Wilt. It comes with a base coat, dual forms, a dual-ended brush, a nail file, and a spatula. The Life of a Rose gel extension nail kit is from the 2020 fall and winter collection. The colors really complement any outfit, and it really just goes with any occasion. As you guys know, I love my neutrals and pinks, so this is kind of the color I go for my nails all the time. Now that you guys know a little bit about the kit that I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and start on my nails. I'll have it linked down below so you can check it out. My kitchen, I just put this towel down on my counter just because I did just move in here and I don't want to like mess up my counter with any chemicals or anything. So just be safe. I put this old towel down. First thing it says to do is prep your nails. Got this great nail file in the kit. So this is the Life of the Rose kit. I also just have some other products, this little like glass dish, and then a nail surface cleanser, this portable like light. I just need to apply the base coat, and then I will put my nails under the light. Okay, I'm gonna take this Bloom nail extension, and this dual form fits my thumbnail perfectly. I'm gonna squeeze a pea-size amount. I'm gonna take my brush mixed in with that solution, and I'm just gonna like spread it out. Did my first nail. It looks like that. It's really sturdy. Really like how it looks. I'm excited to do the rest of them. Turned my camera off for a minute because I was kind of figuring out like how to do it. It's a little bit of trial and error at first. I feel like once you get how to do it, you're good. Make sure you go underneath the nail with the brush once you press it on. Kind of go back underneath, and that'll help you so the nails aren't thick, because I forgot to do that. filmed this kind of like somewhat later in the middle of the day, and it's daylight savings already happened, so it gets dark really early now. So the lighting here is not the best. Look, my nails are done. Look how good they look. Love this color. This is like my favorite shade ever to put on my nails. Really love how they turned out. I really love that I was able to get a nice amount of length, and you could definitely do them longer, shorter, however you like. Easy to make them longer. Have nice like long, strong, kind of like acrylic style nails with the polygel nails and with this Makartt kit. So I really, really like that. I also really love the colors in this Life of a Rose collection kit. First, it was a little bit challenging. Like, it took me a little bit to get the hang of it, but once I figured out how to kind of like form the mold of the nails, like, it wasn't bad. And it's actually kind of like fun to do. Like, it's like a fun activity. It's really great at home way to do your nails. I would definitely recommend checking out this Makartt Life of a Rose polygel nail extension kit. Feel way better now that my nails, like, I love when my nails feel like freshly done. So it's a little bit later now. I think I'm just going to do my skincare, take my makeup off, and I'm just gonna hop in the shower and exfoliate all of this fake tan off. As you can see, it's just like really patchy. I just feel really nice to get it all off and then put a fresh new tan on. I just love having a fresh tan, like a fresh fake tan. Boosts my confidence so much. I use the Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse. It's my favorite. I've literally been using it for years. Ever since I've been using that, I've never like gotten a spray tan or really used any other fake tans. Loving Tan is truly the best. It lasts way longer. I also really, really like the color of it better. Loving Tan is just like a very like natural toned fake tan. It just looks like if you were to actually just be tanner. It's really easy to apply. Hopefully this setup is good. I actually just set you guys on a box. Just going to take my makeup off. Starting off, I'm just going to actually remove my makeup. I'm just removing my makeup. I just use the Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser. Now that my makeup is actually removed, I'm gonna go in with my Curology. Curology is so amazing. If you guys haven't checked it out, you definitely should. I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Super Glow Serum, and this just makes my face look really glowy. Now I'm going to use this Drunk Elephant Polypeptide Moisturizer. I really like this for moisturizer. I think that is everything for skincare. I'm just going to get in the shower and exfoliate all of this fake tan off. So I took a shower and exfoliated all my tan off. I want to do just like these little under eye gel patches. These are from Patchology. So in a minute, I'm gonna take off these under eye gels. They feel super relaxing. I'm gonna fake tan, so I'm gonna show you really quickly what I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using this Loving Tan 2 Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in dark. I use the Loving Tan mid. It's really soft and it applies the product like really nicely. And then I also like to use like an old foundation brush, kind of like a fluffy brush for my neck and chest because it just blends it a little bit better. Here is before. Good morning. So as you can see, I am freshly fake tanned. I just woke up, so my fake tan has been developing over the last like 8 hours or so. However, I am going to take a shower and a lot of this is going to rinse off. I just got out of the shower and I basically just put all of my hair care products in. I just use It's a 10 and then I use this little wave spray from Way. It smells really good. Like, it literally smells so good. I also use this like frizz dismiss stuff from Redken. So I just put all of that in my hair and then I just like to put it back in a towel to kind of help it absorb and soak in all of those products. And I just did some skincare. I used my Glossier Super Glow Serum, and then I also use this Glossier Priming Moisturizer, but it's like in a gel form. It feels like really lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel as like lotiony. So I really love using that in the morning. I feel like it just kind of preps my skin for makeup. I just did some more gel under eye patches because they're really cooling and refreshing, and we're all about self-care in this video. I think I'm gonna make a little iced latte real quick before I actually get started on my makeup. Hopefully you can hear me because my laundry is going, and if you guys haven't seen my apartment videos, my laundry is like right next to my bathroom. It's like in my closet. This is where the real glow up is gonna happen. I'm gonna do my makeup and fix my hair. Definitely check out my fall makeup look if you guys haven't seen it, because that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. Here is what my makeup looks like done. I just need to curl my hair. I really like how the makeup turned out. I didn't really do anything too different except for wear a little bit more eyeshadow than I normally do and then add the winged eyeliner. I used to do all the time, like all the time in high school, and like for the last couple of years I just haven't. That's what the hair and makeup looks like done. I just used my Hot Tools curling iron, and I also used a straightening iron to just kind of straighten my roots because I have naturally curly hair. I'll link the products I used below for like my hair care, my makeup. Now I'm just gonna get dressed. That will complete the glow up. Currently, I just have on these sweats that I slept in last night. So I have these jeans from Abercrombie that I showed in a recent haul. I'm definitely gonna wear those because I've been loving those jeans at the moment. I'm trying to decide if I should do like a collared shirt and sweater vest, or maybe a collared shirt and like a sweatshirt. If I should do just like a high neck, kind of like black mock neck and like a cute leather jacket or something. I'm not really actually going anywhere today. I might actually go and take Instagram pictures. I do really like this sweater vest. It's from H&M. Some really cute leather jackets from Princess Polly. I have like this tan one that I'm obsessed with. So here is my outfit. I just have this collared shirt from H&M, the sweatshirt from Brandy Melville. It says Hawaii. I just have these jeans from Abercrombie. And I would put this with a pair of black boots. It looks like this. I definitely think I'm gonna have to take an Instagram picture. I've been loving this trend on Instagram with like the collar and like the sweatshirt, so I just thought this would look really cute. I just put some chunky hoops from Ana Luisa. This necklace is actually my mom's from like the 90s. That is my outfit. So I think this is the end of the glow up. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and like comment down below some of your favorite things to do on like a self-care or pamper night. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 so you can see all of my like real-time updates. Definitely let me know if you'd like to see more glow up videos on my channel. Definitely make sure to have a little self-care night or kind of like glow up day for yourself. Just so you can spend some time to kind of feel fresh, and I don't know, I just feel really fresh after taking this time to do this. Also, I just want to say I have been loving these nails since I put them on last night. They are so nice. Definitely check these out if you're looking for a great at-home nail kit. I'll have that whole entire kit linked down below so you guys can check it out. So much to Makartt for partnering with me on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!